1. Which pattern is characterized by numbers that can be arranged into a growing shape pattern? A. Fibonacci sequence. B. Geometric sequence. C. Figure-8 numbers. D. Arithmetic sequence. Two. Which one of the options listed below is not considered a method for solving problems? A. Make a table. B. Look for a pattern. C. Examine a related problem. D. Carry out the strategy. Three. Which steps are included in Polya's four-step process for problem solving? A. Carry out the strategy, make a table, examine a related problem, looking back. B. Select a strategy, carry out the strategy, guess and check, understand the problem. C. Understand the problem, make a diagram, carry out the strategy, work backwards. D. Understand the problem, select a strategy, carry out the strategy, looking back. Four. What method can be used to find the rule of a sequence? A. Counting the number of terms. B. Multiplying the term number by the difference. C. Adding or subtracting the term number. D. Finding the sum of all terms. Five. What type of sequence involves each term being obtained from the previous term by adding or subtracting a fixed number? A. Geometric sequence. B. Arithmetic sequence. C. Fibonacci sequence. D. Recursive sequence. Six. Which sequence involves each term being obtained from the previous term by multiplying by a fixed number? A. Geometric sequence. B. Fibonacci sequence. C. Figure-8 numbers. D. Recursive sequence. Seven. What kind of sequence involves using the preceding term or terms to determine each successive term? A. Geometric sequence. B. Arithmetic sequence. C. Recursive sequence. D. Fibonacci sequence. 8. In multiplication by 11, what rule is applied when the sum of two adjacent digits is more than 9? A. Carry over to the next digit. B. The sum becomes a single-digit number. C. The sum is ignored. D. The product becomes 0. Nine. What is the trick to subtracting any number from 1000 quickly? A. Add instead of subtracting. B. Subtract each digit from 9 and the last from 10. C. Multiply by -1. D. None of these. 10. How does the document suggest dealing with percentages? A. Convert them to decimals. B. Convert them to fractions. C. Write them out as words. D. Leave them as they are. (11) What method does this document recommend for multiplying two-digit numbers less than 20 but more than 10 together? A. Simply multiply as normal. B. Subtract both numbers from 20 then multiply. C. Add 10 to both numbers then multiply. D. Apply cross multiplication. (12) What method does this document suggest for squaring numbers ending in 5? A. Multiply by 5 and add 25. B. Multiply the first digit by itself plus 1 and append 25. C. Square each digit separately then add them together. D. None of these. (13) According to this document, multiplying by 4 can be done faster by doing what instead? A. Multiplying by 2 twice. B. Dividing by 0.25. C. Adding 4 times. D. Subtracting from a multiple of 4. (14) Which of the following is a way to improve your mental math skills? A. Always use a calculator for complex problems. B. Ignore patterns and shortcuts. C. Practice regularly and consistently. D. Studying math only when preparing for a test. (15) What is the mathematical concept used to plot fractals over real and complex domains? A. Linear equations. B. Differential equations. C. Trigonometric functions. D. Dynamical systems. (16) What is the estimated number of baseballs required to fill the interior volume of a Boeing 747? A. 5 million baseballs. B. 4.8 million baseballs. C. 6 million baseballs. D. 3.5 million baseballs. (17) What is the function used to find global and local extrema and stationary points while imposing a constraint? A. Function of x equals x times e to the power of x, multiplied by negative x plus 1. B. Function of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 5. C. Function of x equals sine of x plus cosine of x. D. Function of x equals ln of x. (18) What is the significance of the critical points of a function? A. They are the highest points of the function. B. They are the points where the function is undefined. C. They are the points where the function's derivative is 0 or undefined. D. They are the points where the function's value is infinity. (19) Which object's volume and packing density are considered when estimating the number of objects required to fill a container? A. Basketball. B. Baseball. C. Tennis ball. D. Soccer ball. 20. What is the primary focus of applied mathematics? A. Developing abstract mathematical theories. B. Solving fictional problems. C. Applying mathematical methods to real-world issues. D. Analyzing historical mathematical concepts. (21) What is the iteration rule used for plotting the Mandelbrot set? A. Z sub n plus 1 equals z sub n squared plus c, where z sub 0 equals 0. B. X sub n plus 1 equals 2x sub n minus 3. C. Y sub n plus 1 equals y sub n plus 1. D. Z sub n plus 1 equals e raised to the power of z sub n. Bachelor of Mathematics Exam Practice Test. The Bachelor of Science in Mathematics equips students with strong analytical and computing skills, offering specializations in applied mathematics, actuarial science, computer science, and statistics. Graduates are well prepared for careers in finance, technology, education, and further academic study. Importance of mathematics degree. Essential for developing critical analytical and problem-solving skills applicable in various fields, including finance, education, and data science. This degree provides a solid foundation for diverse career paths and advanced studies, enhancing graduates' competitiveness in the job market.